Hello guys, namaste and welcome back again in my YouTube channel, Sushi Man. Today I'm gonna show you how to make hot roll. It's called also fried roll, tempura roll for the sushi, okay? This is the nori. I'm putting rice in the rough side, lining side, okay? Depend on the restaurant menu, depend on the you, what kinds of ingredients you have to put in the inside of the roll. But here I'm gonna put the mango and cucumber and salmon, okay? But if you want, you can put also avocado with salmons, with pineapple. Also, it's good. I'm putting the cucumber here. This is the cucumber, and that is the mango, okay? I'm putting the mango. Now I'll put the salmon. I have the salmon here. And now I'll roll it. Yes, now I roll it and I'm gonna make the hot roll, okay? It's a fried sushi item. Now I'll make the another roll, since like that one. I'm putting the rice, I'm placing the rice, then after I'll put the mango and cucumber and the salmon. So it's called the fried sushi. And some in the Portuguese we call also sushi frito. Frito sushi, yeah. It's depend on the you, what kinds of ingredients you can put inside, yeah. I'm putting the mango, cucumber and the salmons, but if you want you can put the avocado and salmons with pineapple or avocado and mango. Like this I'm rolling, sticking the rice so it will be sticky with this alga. Now I'll cut this side. I'm putting this flour here, tempura flour, so it will be more crunchy. It will grab the more tempura butter, yeah, and so it can. And also in the fried times, it will stop the oil go inside the roll. I have this butter, yeah. For this butter, we have to put 1 kg tempura flour with 1400 ml water. I'll put here. Now I'll put here. This is the panko. It's called also breadcrumb. This is the breadcrumb, yeah. Finally, my fried roll is ready. This is my fried sushi is ready, okay? This is the breadcrumb we can put here in. It's called also panko. Now I'm gonna fry this one, okay? Let's go fry. Finally my hot roll is ready. I'll take out this one, okay? Okay, finally my hot roll is ready. I'm gonna cut this, okay, in the 12 piece. Now I'm gonna put the mold there. This is the teriyaki, yeah. And that is the spring onion. finally my hot roll is ready. You can see here, yeah, I'm gonna make the takeaway. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you, after watching this video, you got the knowledge about how to make fried sushi or sushi frito tempura sushi. See you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy.